Welcome to Improve Instantly. In today's video, we're diving into vegan diet benefits and tips. Whether you're looking to transition to a vegan lifestyle, understand the benefits of vegan eating, or get practical tips for a successful vegan diet, this video will provide you with the tools and insights you need. We're here to help you overcome common challenges with veganism and achieve your goals with practical, actionable advice. Stay tuned till the end for a quick actionable cheat sheet on vegan diet benefits and tips. Section 1. Why this topic matters. Understanding vegan diet benefits and tips is crucial for making an informed and successful transition to a plant-based lifestyle. Many people are drawn to veganism for ethical, environmental, or health reasons, but they often face challenges such as getting adequate nutrition, finding suitable food options, and adjusting to a new way of eating. For example, adopting a vegan diet can improve overall health, support weight management, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. By focusing on effective vegan diet strategies, you can enjoy the benefits of improved health and well-being. This section will explore why addressing these issues is essential and how it can lead to significant positive changes in your life. For instance, research shows that a well-balanced vegan diet can contribute to lower cholesterol levels and reduced inflammation. A vegan diet can lead to healthier eating habits, contribute to environmental sustainability, and promote ethical treatment of animals. 8 essential tips for a successful vegan diet. Tip 1. Plan balanced meals. Ensure your meals include a variety of plant-based foods. For example, incorporate a mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds to meet your nutritional needs. Tip 2. Get enough protein. Include protein-rich vegan foods. For instance, eat beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, and edamame to ensure adequate protein intake. Tip 3. Focus on iron and vitamin B12. Choose foods rich in iron and consider supplementation. For example, eat fortified cereals, spinach, and beans for iron, and take a B12 supplement as needed. Tip 4. Include omega-3 fatty acids. Incorporate sources of omega-3s into your diet. For instance, add flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts to your meals for healthy fats. Tip 5. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and include hydrating foods. For example, consume fruits and vegetables with high water content, like cucumbers and watermelon, to stay hydrated. Tip 6. Experiment with vegan recipes. Try new plant-based recipes to keep meals exciting. For instance, explore vegan versions of your favorite dishes, like plant-based burgers or dairy-free ice cream. Tip 7. Read food labels carefully. Be aware of hidden animal products. For example, check labels for ingredients like gelatin, casein, or honey, which are not vegan. Tip 8. Seek support and community. Connect with other vegans for advice and inspiration. For instance, join online forums, social media groups, or local vegan meetups to share experiences and tips. Section 3. Overcoming common challenges. Even with the best tips, challenges can arise. Common obstacles include finding vegan-friendly options when dining out, getting enough essential nutrients, and dealing with social situations. For example, it can be difficult to find vegan options at restaurants or during social gatherings. To tackle these, Consider preparing meals ahead of time, researching vegan-friendly restaurants, and discussing your dietary needs with friends and family. Addressing these issues proactively will help you maintain your vegan lifestyle and enjoy its benefits. For instance, if dining out is challenging, suggest using apps to find vegan-friendly restaurants or bringing your own food to events. Quick actionable cheat sheet: vegan diet benefits and tips. Plan balanced meals. Include a variety of plant-based foods for nutrition. Get enough protein. Eat beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh. Focus on iron and vitamin B12. Choose fortified foods and consider supplements. Include omega-3 fatty acids. Add flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Stay hydrated. Drink water and eat hydrating fruits and vegetables. Experiment with vegan recipes. Try new plant-based dishes to keep meals exciting. Read food labels carefully. Avoid hidden animal products. Seek support and community. Connect with other vegans for advice and inspiration. Conclusion. To wrap up, remember that vegan diet benefits and tips are all about embracing a plant-based lifestyle and making it work for you. Incorporate these tips into your routine to experience the full benefits of a vegan diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.